Hey everybody, so I'm going to do my first gel at home nail polish using Madam Glam. So this is what the box looks like. It comes with a top coat, a base coat, and the color, and I also picked out a glitter so I can do an accent nail. So I'm just showing you everything right now. It comes in a nice little padded box so that the nail polishes don't break. The nail shades I chose was Pretty Liar, which is a beautiful kind of taupey purple color. I really love it. And then for the accent nail, I chose the color Stardust, and that is gorgeous as well. So inside the second box, it comes with a little like cheat sheet, little tips and application steps. Also inside the box comes with the UV light, which is what cures the gel nail polish, along with the power cord. So it's a little USB power cord, and then it comes with the actual power plug-in. So those go together. So I guess technically you could use this with your computer. You could be like right in front of your computer watching a YouTube video, and that would be pretty easy, I imagine. So I'm probably going to start doing that. And this is the UV gel light little cure. Inside the bubble wrap, it comes with a couple little supplies you might need, like a little orange stick, a nail file, some tin foil for removal because it's a soak-off gel nail polish. And that's all that's inside the box there. Ta-da! Okay, so I was reading over, hi, I'm up here. But anyways, I was reading over the directions, and one thing I did find kind of frustrating is that you need rubbing alcohol, and that didn't come with the kit, but thankfully I do have like a little couple rubbing alcohol pads in my purse because I work at the hospital, and thankfully I had some. So that's a little bit of a con, so but I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So the first thing I did is I washed my hands. They're nice and clean. I used the orange nail to push back the orange stick to push back my cuticles. Shaped my nails with the little file that came with. So now we're gonna go ahead and just get started right into it. All right, another kind of con I feel is the cord length for the charging for the LED lamp. It's not that long, so I did have to move a power cord up here on my desk to work with, but you know, just an FYI, something I wish that maybe they would improve in the future, or like make longer ones of these. That'd be really beneficial, especially if you don't have like a plug right where you're doing it. So the first step is to put on, where is it? The base coat. You put the base coat on, and then you cure it for 30 seconds, and then you put however many coats of the gel polish, either 2 to 3. So I'm going to speed through this part so you don't have to hear me talking and watching it, and yeah. Alright, so I'm just going to speed through the application process. I'm just putting on the base coat and curing it like it says, and then I put on a coat of the color and cure in between each coat. I think I ended up doing a total of 3 coats. And this is the little bit tricky part. That's the hard part, I feel, of the gel manicure, is you really want to apply like the lightest little layer. I was kind of heavy-handed and it could have turned out better. But since filming this video, I have pretty much conquered it and I've mastered the gel nail polish. But I'm really happy with it. Alright, so here I am. I'm showing you what happened when I applied it too heavy. You can see kind of a little bit of a rippling effect, but so I'm just curing it a little bit longer before putting on the top coat. Once the top coat is applied, I just put it under the UV light to cure. And then the next step they say to do is to use some rubbing alcohol to remove any of the tackiness. So I did go ahead and do that, and a little bit of the color came off, and I think it's just because I applied it too heavily, like I applied the color too thick. But the polish lasted for me a good almost 10 days. I did find on the nails that I was a little heavy-handed with. They would kind of want to peel up around the edges of my cuticle, so the key is to really apply like a thin layer with each coat, and it's going to give you better results. So there's, I'm just showing you where it's kind of pulling up a little bit on the side. I was really heavy-handed on that certain nail, so like I said, I will repeat myself. The thinnest of coats works the best. Alright, we are all done with the gel manicure. Here is the final results. As you can tell, the color and glitter, it's just a beautiful shade, and I'm really happy with the results. Like I said, I had a few learning curves. Apply a little coat so you don't get that rippling effect like that there. I did eventually just go ahead and peel that up, to be honest, and then just repainted it with thinner coats, and then that's what lasted me about the 10 days. And I really enjoy it, so I can't wait to try more of their colors. If you guys have tried Madam Glam, please tell me in the comments what's your favorite color. I would love a fun summer color. I think I need that in my life right now. Thank you so much for taking the time to tune in and watch my video. I hope you guys are fantastic and well, and I love you, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!